diamonds, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Daisy Salazar. Today I will be doing a twisted rope braid hairstyle on my daughter Emmy. The first thing you want to do is split the hair in half, then add mousse. Now you'll start by grabbing little chunks of hair, then twisting it. Just keep on repeating until you reach the ear. I usually add gel to keep her hair nice all day. Now this is where you combine both hairs together. After that, tie it up. Now you will do the same thing to the other side. This is where you could put your choice of bows, bobby pins, or clips in the hair. Now you'll start braiding the hair on both sides. Now you'll start by twisting the hair and making it into a bun. You will do the same thing to the other side. Here you can fix up the edges and the hair that you left out. So diamonds, this is the final look. Twisted rope braid hairstyle. I really hope y'all give this a try. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. See y'all in my next video.